Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School and today we will be continuing the topic of tenses. In the last few classes we learned about present tense and in this class we are going to learn about past tense. Just like present tense, past tense also has four subtypes, that is simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. तो हम वो चारों tenses को जो है वो आज देखेंगे. First we'll see their affirmative, negative, interrogative side and then where they are used. Okay, so first if we take simple past tense, so simple past tense is a tense. सबसे पहले उसका verb format देखेंगे. The verb format it will take is verbs second form. Simply second form जो है verb का वो कौन लेगा? Past simple past tense. Okay, it will take the second form of tense. Supposingly, let's take one example. तपन sang a song. This is simple past tense. तपन ने एक गाना गाया. खत्म बात. ठीक है? That is it. Sang verb का second form है, तो that is why this is simple past tense. Now Tapan sang a song. That is it. Now when we have to make it into negative, we will write down Tapan did not sing a song. Simple past tense को when we have to change into negative, then we do not just add Tapan not sang a song. We'll have to add Tapan did not, और जो second form है that changes into first form because we have taken this as second form. Okay? Clear? क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब हम नहीं ले रहे हैं, इसके लिए जब हम इसको नेगेटिव में चेंज करते हैं तो हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है वो अपने आप ऐड करते हैं. Similarly, if we have to make it a question, Tapan sang a song. Did Tapan sing a song? कि क्या तपन ने गाना गाया? Again, sing first form because we have taken did as second form. Okay, that is how you change past tense sentences into negative, interrogative, and affirmative. Okay, now first we'll see where simple past tense is used. Simple past tense is basically used for any event that happened in the past. कोई भी past का जो event है उसके लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Simple past tense that may not have any connection or any relation with the present right at the moment. ठीक है? Then we will use past tense with adverbials of the past tense. Adverbials of the past tense means I'll again take the same sentence. Tapan sang a song. If this is your question, Tapan dash a song yesterday. तो आप और आपको ब्रैकेट में जो वर्ब दिया हुआ है that is sing. तो what will you do? You will make it into past simple tense because we have an adverbial of the past. जब we will have an adverbial of the past, we will simply change it into simple past tense. जैसे तपन sang a song. This is simple past tense. Okay. It is sometimes also used without an adverb of time. कभी कभी बिना adverb of time के भी इसको use किया जाता है and that time it is generally in continuation with a sentence जो पहले से time बता रहा है. ठीक है? जैसे I lived in Assam till 2012 supposingly. दिस इज वन सेंटेंस कि मैं असम में रहती थी 2012 तक. अब सडनली आई एम सेइंग समथिंग, जैसे आई लर्न skating in Assam. Now I haven't used any adverbial of time or past, but still I'm using second tense, using it as a past tense because इसके बारे में, इस बात के रिलेशन में मैं ये बात कह रही हूँ. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने ऑलरेडी टाइम मेंशन कर दिया, तो विदाउट मेंशनिंग द टाइम आई एम टेकिंग इट हियर. So these are also simple past tense. Okay, I hope simple past tense was clear to all of you. Now we'll go for past continuous tense. I told you from the very first day that the identification of continuous tense is ing form. Okay, the identification of continuous form is ing form. So here also we will have the verb in ing form. But this same goes for present tense also and for past tense also. तो ये दिखाने के लिए कि ये past tense है, हमको we'll have to use one word, and that word is was and were. Clearly was for singular and were for plural. Singular के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? Was. और plural के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? Were. For example, he was taking classes at that time. He was taking classes at that time. Simple है, was आ गया because he is singular. अगर इस he की जगह पे they होता तो it would have been were. ठीक है, he was taking classes at that time. To make it negative, we will just add not. He was not taking classes at time. And if you have to change it into interrogative, you just have to make it was he taking classes at that time? Question mark. Okay, was he taking classes at that time? Question mark. This becomes interrogative. अब positive, interrogative और negative तो clear हो गया. Now we will have to see where do we use past continuous tense. Continuous tense, as told before, is a statement which is used when some action is going on. जब कोई काम चल रहा है. अब तो clearly here तो we are talking about the past, तो अभी तो चल नहीं सकता. तो we will point out those sentences जो कि उस टाइम के बारे में बात करते हैं जब past tense में कोई काम चल रहा था. जब past tense में कोई काम चल रहा था तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Past continuous tense. Okay, for example, it was raining when we started for home. It was raining मतलब जब हमने घर के लिए निकलने वाले थे या जब हम घर के लिए निकले थे तब बारिश हो रही थी. अभी it is not happening. At that time it was happening. वो उस टाइम पे काम जो है वो चल रहा था. क्या काम चल रहा था? बारिश होने का. कब? जब आप घर से निकल रहे थे. ठीक है. So at the time of when you were leaving a place, at that time it was raining. Okay, when they were leaving the home or when they were living for home, तब it was raining. तो आप क्या कह रहे हो कि past में एक टाइम था जब ये काम हो रहा था. For you those sentences we will use past continuous tense. Other than that, if there is words like always or you know continually कि आप बता रहे हो कि generally होता रहता है, तो भी you will use past continuous tense. ठीक है. For example, पास्ट एक्शन इफ दैट वाज अ हैबिट, अगर कोई पास्ट एक्शन एक हैबिट थी या एक कंटिन्यूटी में जो चीज चलती रहती थी, फॉर दैट यू विल यूज पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, she was always smiling, कि वो हमेशा हंसती रहती थी. It was her habit. पुरानी एक उसकी हैबिट थी कि वो हमेशा हंसती रहती. तो दिस वाज एन हैबिट that of the past and it was in continuity. तो smile की जगह पे हमने क्या कर दिया, smiling. This is continuous. Always will these sentences will take words like always and was to indicate the past. ठीक है, अगर हम इसको she को they बना देते हैं तो it will take they were. Was for singular and were for plural. Okay. When two or more actions are happening at the same time, at that time also past continuous is used. अगर past के अंदर दो actions same time पे हो रहे हैं, ठीक है, that also we will use past continuous tense. She was writing while they were reading. जब ये हो रहा था तब ये कर रहे थे. Two actions in the happening in the past at the same time will take past continuous tense. Okay, so that was past continuous tense. I hope it was clear to all of you. Next tense which we are going to take is of past perfect tense. We read it in the simple present perfect tense. That past perfect tense will always take verbs third form. तो ये verb की third form तो हो गई, लेकिन how do we indicate that this is past tense? For present we were using has and have. For past we will use had. Singular plural का इसके अंदर कोई भी problem नहीं है. We will simply use had. For example, the sentence is I had finished my song. ठीक है, इसको नेगेटिव बनाना है तो not, and to make it interrogative had I finished my song. ठीक है, that is how you make it negative and interrogative. Now we will see places where past perfect tense is used. Past perfect tense का use कहाँ पर होता है? First we are going to see that. When some action is completed before a certain period of time in the past. For example, at 4 p.m. I had returned home. When you are using sentences like this, that at 4 p.m. I have returned home, means 4 p.m. is the time of past, और इस टाइम पे आपने ये काम कर लिया था. That work had been completed at some point in the past. Past के किसी point of time पे जब आपका काम complete हुआ था, तब आप क्या use करते हो? Past perfect tense. ठीक है? Other than that, if two actions are happening in the past, supposingly two actions are happening in the past, और आपको ये indicate करना है कि एक पहले हुआ था और एक बाद में हुआ था. Not necessarily they happened at the same time. अगर आपको ये दिखाना है कि two actions happened in the past, one before and one after, then you will use past perfect tense. Sia had written the letter before Sakshi returned. Now two actions are happening, one Sia writing a letter and one Sakshi returning. Because we have used past perfect tense in one, that shows that this action happened before this. मतलब पहले ये action हुआ है and then this action took place. When you have to show two actions of the past, the one which has been done first will take present perfect, past perfect tense, and the one that has happened later will take simple past tense. तो दो actions में से पहला action आपको दिखाने के लिए क्या use करना पड़ेगा? Past perfect tense. Okay, I hope it was clear till here. To express unfulfilled desires of the past. Past की कोई unfulfilled desire आपकी है, ठीक है? जैसे काश मैंने ऐसा कर लिया होता. For example, I wish I had listened to you. काश मैंने तुम्हारी बात सुन ली होती. That is a past desire which is unfulfilled. आपकी पास की कोई चीज है जो अब पूरी नहीं हो सकती है, तो उसके लिए क्या यूज करेंगे हम? Past perfect tense. Then another is for impossible conditions, जो अब नहीं हो सकती है. Something of this will take wish, उनके अंदर wish word नहीं आएगा. If से जो conditional जो sentences होंगे past के, उसके अंदर if I had worked hard, I would have passed. अगर मैंने मेहनत करी होती तो मैं पास हो गया होता. Conditional sentences of the past. Conditional sentences that are implicable in the past. कि अगर उस टाइम ऐसा कर लिया होता तो अभी ऐसा हो गया होता. These kind of sentences. That was past perfect tense. The next and last tense for past tense is past perfect continuous tense. For past perfect continuous tense, again as present perfect continuous tense, it will take both the identifications of past tense as well as present tense. Sorry, continuous tense. तो perfect का हम लेंगे had plus verbs ing form for continuous. Now the problem that arises is that had can always be followed by the third form. And we have ing form here, तो इसको complete करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Been लगा देंगे. What will we put? Been. Because had will always be followed by verbs third form. And for continuity, we have to show ing form. That is why we are putting been here. Okay. And now to make sentences in negative, affirmative, and interrogative. They had been playing for 2 hours. तो पिछले 2 घंटे से खेल रहे हैं. This is simple affirmative sentence. To make it past, we have to put just not. They had not been playing. And to make it interrogative, had they been playing for 2 hours, and this becomes interrogative. Very simple. Now basically there's only one condition where we use past perfect continuous tense for your level. And that condition is to express an action that when some action started in the past tense and has been continued till the last time. ठीक है. पास्ट में शुरू हुआ और पास्ट के किसी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम तक जब वो कंटिन्यू हो रहा था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, she had been sleeping for 2 hours before you, when you so again 2 actions have happened, one of he coming in and she sleeping. तो ये घर आया, उससे पहले से वो 2 घंटे के लिए सो रही थी. So this was A to B, one action was happening and at point C it finished. और हम कहाँ है? Point D पे. तो all of this is past for us. Started in the past, was happening in the past, and finished at in the past. तो शुरू भी कब हुआ है? पास्ट में. चल भी कब रहा था? पास्ट में. और फिनिश भी कब हुआ है? पास्ट के अंदर ही. ठीक है. These type of sentences are present, a past perfect continuous tense. Something that started in the past, was moving on in the past, and finished also in the past. That is past perfect continuous tense. I hope all of this was clear to you. Present tense and past tense is all clear to you. Just keep on reading sentences and try to identify their tenses, and that will make this concept much more easier. I hope no more problem is left. You have understood which verb is used where and everything. Thank you.